Hi Femis, welcome back to another beautiful video. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. If you are an OG or an oldie, thank you for coming back. Welcome back. Yeah, so in this video, all we are doing today is arranging vegetables, items that my mom bought from the market. So they needed to be sorted out, and that's what I was doing, washing them and arranging them in the fridge. So there's nothing much to talk about. The vlog is self-explanatory. So please enjoy and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend that Feli has posted. I'm having some Fanta as I read. I actually like drinking while reading. Not drinking alcohol, no. Drinking soda or juice or coffee. Good morning, guys. I I hit my lips with my phone yesterday and now blood has clotted. So it's 9 a.m. in the morning and I am trying to create content. I've not created content this week and I promised to be consistent this year. Like this year, I promised to be consistent. Okay, so this vlog is a short one. I just did 1 to 3 things and I said, okay, let me just edit it and put it out there, because if I start waiting for to do something, then it means I will not post a video this week, and we don't want that. So even if it's a 5 minutes video, I'm committing myself to post it, to edit and post it. Yeah, so now it's 9 a.m. I'm trying to create content a lot. I'm trying to create a lot of them. So that's why I've woken up early to start early. I'm always active in the morning. Like if you want me to do something so well in the morning, I'll do it very well. So I want to take breakfast because I'm feeling like I'm already hungry. I'm done shooting 2 videos and I still have more to go. So yeah, I want to take breakfast and then voila. So this is my breakfast. This this is one thing that if you cook in your house and you invite and you give me, I'll take. I love githeri. I love githeri more than anything. More than anything. I can have this in the morning, lunchtime, evening. People would say, oh, I ate githeri in school, so I can't eat githeri. Me, I'm eating because the way it has been cooked at home is different from the way it has been cooked, how it was cooked in school. So for me, I'll definitely have githeri. Yeah. Guys, I'm just done doing my thing. It's 12:55, something that I started at 9. I'm telling you, you guys, please support me by subscribing. Go to my TikTok, follow me. Go to my Instagram and follow me there. All I need is your support, guys, by just following, liking, commenting, subscribing. Please, that's all I need from you guys. Your support goes a long way. By the way, that subscription is free. You just dial on the subscribe button and then you turn on the bell. That way you'll be able to get notifications whenever I post. Look at how mosquitoes feast on me at night. Look, mosquitoes, shame on you. So let me see. I want to rest first because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I feel like I was run over by a trailer. Anyway, so do I want to eat? That's me always. Do I even want to eat? Do I feel sometimes I don't even know if I want to eat. But anyway, let me just rest first and then I'll see what to do later. Okay? See you guys.